Hi everyone, it's great seeing everyone this week. Thanks for coming over. It was super helpful. As promised, I am going to share with you two applications actually. This is the first one, and I'm going to share another video and link for you in a subsequent video. This one is the location canvassing. I met Clay yesterday on site. Thanks again, Clay. It was super interesting seeing how everything works. This is the canvassing application. So let me walk very quickly through it. Again, you'll get a link to this. So you can change the base map in the top right hand corner. You can see an overview map in the bottom right hand corner, just to see where actually you are located in Salt Lake. You can see that. You can click on the point. Now I've set a single point on the map just to add that. I wrote down from our meeting which are the key areas that we want to collect information on. So not just obviously the location, but then I've got the name, the address, the phone contact, slug line suitability, feature and comments. And of course I've got a link in there as well. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. So I've just put a dummy point in there, as you can see. Let me close that. On the left hand side, now this is a closable panel here, so you can open and close that. You'll see here you can do an address search if you need to, same as Google. You can zoom in and out. If you're using your phone or your iPad or equivalent, you can just pinch. There's a home button which takes you back to the original extent, and this is a geolocate button, so this will take you actually to where you're currently positioned. Left hand side are these panels. Now these are closable panels. I've just left them all open, but you can open and close these as you need to. There are essentially three panels, three widgets there. I'm going to start with the top one. So this is the editing widget. So you can click on that. Now we've set it. I know we were sort of talking through whether we want to color code things or not. This could just be a simple point. We've just color coded it to say, yeah, this is a building that we like, and you know, however you best want to sort of give a visual cue to the type of building that there is. It could be, you know, this is the perfect building for X, you know, for filming something, a school or something. So I just zoomed into my house. I'm going to drop a point on top of my house. Boom. Now you'll see this pop-up that comes up. Now this allows us to write in the information that we spoke about. So me, the address 7365 Comstock. Oh, I can't type. Phone, obviously contact if it's the one above. I'm not going to complete that address. Now the slug line, you can complete that as see fit. And I had a question about the slug line, which I won't put in here. Good means that it'll go green. You can actually change it here and change the color if you decide once you've done this that you didn't want it to be green. But at the minute, good's going to be green. It's a feature, so let's call it Andy Pandy. That was actually a show in England. And any comments you want to make, if you wanted to put down, I don't know, the price or what you agree with the person or some other information there. And we could choose a file as well as an attachment. So if I click on choose file, if you're on your laptop, you can just, these are on my desktop, so you can just select an image, let's select that one, click open, and now that's all done. So what actually happened magically in the background is all that information was pushed into a geo database. So we now have a store which in the cloud which has that information. So I'll click on close and we're done. Stop editing, click on the point, and you'll see all that information in that point and that pop-up. So it's all magically be stored for you. Now if you wanted to find addresses, then you can click in here. You can select your current location. You can type in an address and you'll get a pop-up reminder. Let's just start doing it here, 7365, and you'll see you'll go through this. There's my address there. So I can select that, there's my address. I can put a point in that is where I need to go to, obviously, and you'll get what I showed you together. You'll get the point and you'll get a route on the map, and you'll also get a description of that route. Now you can add other routes to it. If you need to go to site 1, site 2 and site 3 in the same day, you can add that in here as well. So that's the directions widget. The bottom one is a print widget. Now we didn't really talk about that, but you can use this one if you like. You can set a title to it, you can set a type of format, you can set where it's landscape or portrait, and you can do some other settings in here as well. So there's some other information you can take in it. So it's kind of a custom print. What it does is it generates a PDF, and from that PDF you can obviously get a physical copy of things. So there's really three widgets here. And that's it. I'll share the link with you. Feel free to play with it. Obviously I'm showing you on a PC, so I'd probably play with it on your PC or your laptop. It does work on it does look good and works nicely on a phone as well. And if you're interested, I'll do another video just to show you the workflow. The interface looks slightly different. It's styled for a phone. So that's video 1, and I am about to do a second video for you. Thanks.